Hello everyone, thank you for watching video. On this occasion, I will trade on the Pocket Option platform. If you want to try trading on this platform, please check the description of the video. Here, I will try to trade with a duration of 5 minutes. I use cross-signal software for analysis, and this is the market option available within the cross-signal software, and this is the preferred signal time option. Here, I will choose the 5-minute signal because I will be trading with a duration of 5 minutes. Then here I have equated the percentage of profit with a market like this. So here I will follow the signal given like this. The reason I made a buy purchase was because of the strong buy signal. Now, I will make a purchase first for all the markets I have chose. All right, friends, I've just made a purchase in the market I selected. Now, let me explain the tool I'm using here. Some of you may be wondering, what is the crossbot? The crossbot is software specifically designed for market analysis across all binary options platforms. This tool operates in real time, helping you understand market movements more accurately. That's a brief explanation. For those of you who want to download it, the link is in the video description. Feel free to download it from there. And I assure you it's not a duplicate bot. Now let's watch until the end so you can see if this bot truly works effective or not. And yes, from all the trades I've made, each one has been profitable. All right, friends, for those of you who watch this video until the end, thank you so much and see you in the next video.